Alright, another quick tip. They give you this power connector with a little wooden piece that holds it in place, and after you've installed both of these ends here, which is the front and the back respectively, they tell you to jam this connector into this little hole. And as you can see, there's a little tab right there, which is fine. So you end up fumbling with this and trying desperately to get it in there, which has proven to be incredibly difficult. So what I'm going to attempt, I have already removed the 4 screws. There's 2 more over here. I'm just going to lift this panel off now. Should give me plenty of room. And you need to keep your orientation, so the plug's going to come out this way. And then you can turn it over with plenty of room to spare. Fiddle with it. Until you get it in, and shove it the rest of the way through, and then once this is on, go ahead and put your screws back in. Much easier than trying to jam it from underneath here. Hope that helps someone else. Thank you.